what's going on? It's Mark. This is a 2007 Ford F-450 6.0 turbo diesel. I'm going to show you already started up because the bed's already takes a long time for the bed to go up, so I'm going to start the video now. Going down. Ready? Go far away. Check it out. All side shot, side shot. Side shot right here, buddy. So I'm going to read the list off of this truck, okay? Alright, this is taking too long. Come here. We'll read the list off real quick. Guys, this truck was a state-maintained ambulance at one point. With that said, nobody skipped a beat with this truck as far as the maintenance goes on it. Has to be maintained per the state. So you should know what that means. This truck has new injectors, new reman turbo, new glow plugs and harness, EGR delete. The guy did it before me. New injector and engine harness replaced. New alternators. It's got dual alternators. Okay? Boom, it's done. Now here's how it goes up. Ready? Look at it. All right, now come here again. Man, move quick. The video's going. Probably battery's going to ignite. It's got dual alternators, new dual alternators. Okay. It's got new radiator. Okay. Fully serviced since day one. Obviously, it's an ambulance maintained truck with a dump bed they put on it after the fact. New front pads and front rotors. New tires all the way around. 6 tires. All LED lights in the rear. Reverse lights and backup lights, or reverse lights and brake lights, and it's got new FICM, new FICM. So, with that said, I'm gonna move on with the truck. It's got 111,947 miles on it. Power, everything. Sorry that it's raining out, but you can see. I mean, look at the door jambs. Check out the VIN numbers. Move quick. We gotta move quick, Noah. All this, everything's super maintained. The VIN number's all good. And get it closer. I don't think it registered. There we go. Focus. Come on, stupid freaking. Sorry guys, this rain sucks. Ford Motor Company, all the stuff right here, all the badges, the logos, everything, okay? Interior's in immaculate shape, besides the one that was repaired right there. That seats, everything's just great, okay? 119,000 miles. This is the tarp and tarp out. So, you can see how that works. Here, film with me walking around when I do the engine bay. And the best part about this truck, there's, if any, very little or nothing, no surface rust. Check out on the other side, I'm gonna show you. These are your steer tires right here. Look at the tread, Noah. These are your steer tires. The reason why they're for steering, okay? Perfect steer tires, 100% brand new tread. Look at this. You can practically eat off that, okay? How beautiful is that? No rust on the frame or the springs or nothing. Everything's brand new. Look at the front arm. Oh, rain just dripped all on me right there. I mean, it's just absolutely beautiful right there. Look at the radius on right there. Absolutely pretty as hell. No damage, nothing like that. I'm gonna show you guys the back. So I'm taking the phone from Noah. Here's your hydraulic fluid tank right here. Now you can see that spot has not been painted. This is gloss black paint to prevent from corrosion and rust. That's why they did that. Look at the backside here. This is the real unrevealed stuff. I mean, it's just, you can't even, it's not even surface rust. It's like my 2015s have that right there. And it's nothing. It's just beautiful. There's no decomposition whatsoever as far as the frame goes or any part of that. I'm gonna give the phone back to Noah. This is your payload cover right here. Electric, covers the whole entire payload electronically, one button. Let's move around to the rear. These are your drive tires, guys, okay? On the rear, we have a 225/70 19.5 Continental, okay? These are a super, super good drive tire, super grippy. These are probably 90% tread, both tires. So you get 6 tires brand new. Saves you a good amount of dough right there. The rear, these are barn doors, okay? 1, 2, easy as hell to open. Smooth as hell. They open perfectly fine. No yanking on it. It's operational. It moves great. The dump bed goes out. And dude, this dump bed is completely no rust inside this dump bed whatsoever. Everything is like immaculate in here. It's like a brand new truck. You can't go wrong. I mean, state maintained, service, brand new tires, runs and drives perfect. Passed Virginia State inspection at a commercial Liberty Equipment by meticulous guys there who, you know, will fail you on the drop of a dime for anything. But I mean, the truck speaks for itself. You got a huge, big ass ball choller hitch right there. You get your D-rings for pulling stuff. Brand new anchor mounts and stuff like that. As far as your, you know, your trailer brake hookup connection right there. Your 6-point or a 4-point trailer harness, and then your 5-pin prong connector one. Like I said, all new. There's no rust. Everything looks great under this truck. I can't say enough about this truck, guys. Here's the underside of it right here. Let's get a close-up for the guys here. That's your block bar right here, or your stop bar. This right here, if your bed's all the way up, you want safety, you put the lock bar in place. That's what that is right there. But everything is just great. I mean, let me take the camera from Noah again. Here's the back side of the bed. Here's the front side of it. I mean, I'm gonna get a close up. That right there is just, you can't even, it's not even surface rust. It's just, it's a 2007, so how can you really knock it for that? But that was painted for that one reason. You got a small little ding right here. Let me show you under the hood. Did I already show you under the hood?
Not sure.
I did or not?
No.
All right, I'm gonna show you guys under the hood. Dual alternators. Here it is right here. Look how perfect. 6.0s are known for this. Blowing head gaskets, right? It starts erupting out of here from pressure. Not this one. Maintained, brand new fluid. Everything is immaculate. The batteries are perfect and fine. The air filter is perfectly and fine. Dual alternators, guys. Can't beat that. EGR delete. It's got a EGR plate in it. I'm sorry, the guy did it before me, so everything's all said and done. I mean, it is nice. It's a super nice truck. I'm gonna shut this and let's do a big walk around. You wanna do a walk around? You wanna do it? Get the whole entire truck for him. I mean, this is great. The front side, look, I'm not hiding anything. Look all right. Make the video quick. Walk around fast. Don't want to keep this video too long. Walk around quick. But I'm going to drive off. I'm going to start it up and drive off. Hope you guys like the video. Make one more loop around the truck so everybody can see it, and then meet me at the exhaust side. I'm going to start it up, drive on. Hope you guys like the video. This is Mark signing out. Peace out. See you later.